Hey y'all, it's Queen Meek and I'm back. So one thing I'm gonna do is slack on some stuff. Okay, maybe you can hear me now. Let's see. Of course the stanks can hear me. Hey y'all, it's Queen Meek and I'm back. Anyways, so I'm going out and I slacked on finding an outfit. Actually, I feel like I go through this stuff the same every time I'm trying to find something to wear. I'm like, I just be wanting to be more creative. I create so many shirts and I be seeing so many stylish. I'm not a super stylish person, but I may have worn like one or two ugly things out of my entire life outside of back in the day when we used to always go to these college parties and stuff, but that's not the point. But I usually try to look decent and like put some stuff together, maybe out of the norm sometimes, but not all the way. But I'm like, let me just create something, make something to go out because I really don't want to wear no heels today. I gotta still get used to wearing the heels that I have outside of the good express ones that I had got. Fine. I love them, but I'm like, girl, you keep wearing the same heels. Anyway, so I got this shirt here, and let me see, because this is just. So I got this shirt, and I like getting shirts from like Target and like Walmart and the boys in the little kids section, basically, right? Yeah. So in the little kids section. So this is the shirt. This is by Wonder Nation. So I get them in the kid size. So this is a small t-shirt. Um, it's actually a size medium in the kids from Target. And what I did was I have a skirt that I want to put together and just like mix it with some flat shoes. I need some more Vans as well. I like the small shoes. I like my feet are so big. I'm so small, but my feet are a 9. I should be like 6 foot tall. But I didn't want to wear no heels. So I'm gonna wear this shirt, but I'm going to customize it or whatever. So I'm gonna add some stuff on here. I'm an Aries. I love representing my Aries sign. I've been doing a lot of more zodiac sign shirts and stuff. So I'm like, might as well rep my game. One thing I'm gonna do is rep the Aries game. So this is gonna be the shirt. We're gonna put this together. I already cut the collar off so it can like hang a little bit. And then I'm gonna cut it down some more, but I want to figure out what color to put with the Aries sign, and then I'll be back. So this here, I don't know what this is called, but it helps to protect um, the fabric and the vinyl that you put on there as well. So help protect it so it won't, because it will stick. If it's too hot or whatever, it will stick to the actual machine. You don't want that because you're going to mess your machine up. Then you'll start messing up shirts and stuff that you have. So yeah. So that's how that looks. And just wanted to do something dramatic. Well, like, it's actually kind of basic because, like I said, I couldn't find no other color that might work best with it. So I'm going to just take it and like kind of double up on it. All right, so I usually use some type of other tape as well, but I don't have it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to zoom in. The other way. So I'm going to pull this down so it looks like an illusion of being doubled. Hopefully that looks good or whatever. So we're gonna do that. Bring it down a bit like that too. And like that. I don't know if that's gonna look good. It's gonna irritate me if that fades and isn't the right way. So let's hope on it. So that's how that's gonna look. I'm gonna press that down and I'll be back. All right, so I took it off. It doesn't look bad. Okay. I'm thirsty, so I'm taking it off a little bit sooner than it needs to be taken off, but you know me, purr. So we're just gonna take that off. I'm still trying to get used to these nails, child. I just want my hands to look like something. So it's the only reason I got these nails on now. But so this is how it's gonna look. And then the only other thing I'm gonna do as far as cutting wise is gonna be cut down the middle, but I'll do that when I actually put it on. So I'm gonna use this sheet again, and then I'm just gonna put that over it, and then heat press it one more time just to make sure it's all the moisture, all of that stuff. It's a little wrinkled, so I'll iron it and put the lint roller over it before I actually put it on. But I think so far so good, and yeah. So we'll see how that goes as well. But yep, don't need that much. I want me a bigger one. I used to have a bigger heat press, but then it broke. My little sister had my little cousin jump through a window and he stepped on it and broke it. And she didn't even pay for it. But this is how it looks. So let me turn it around. Oh, that's me. All right, so this is how it looks. Her. Like I said, I'll put it together. Once I get ready, I'm gonna put it on and cut it to right there. You know, tighten it up because I got some nice size, lengths. So yeah, be back. All right, so this is how the shirt looks. It looks stupid. So I'm gonna try to cut a little bit. Let's see. Like a good little rip chair. That looks homeless. What is a T-child? I don't really. I look homeless. Why would that be like that? Child, what? That just pissed me off. I think people put it in a little bit or so. I'm out here looking homeless in these people's streets. What in the world? Okay, maybe that doesn't look horrible, super duper horrible. That's how the back look, and I got the skirt. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair completely. I said I'm gonna do this looks stupid. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so I just got done doing some type of random snipping. I feel like it's not bad. You know, people do like the cut up shirts and stuff. It's giving a vibe. I just want y'all to know it's Aries over everybody. Period. But this is what I got. I don't know what bottoms I'm gonna wear. But yeah. That's what we got going on. So I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, so TikTok is acting weird, but this is how the shirt looks. So I had to record on a regular camera. I had these biker shorts and stuff too that I've been not wearing either. I just needed something else to wear with these because I don't really have too many bottoms and stuff. Like I wear like biker shorts just to run errands and stuff. I'm about to go get my nails done. So I just needed something else to put on, but yep. But this is the shirt. And like I said, it came out fast. So, yeah.